guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first vlog. I've been wanting to do this for so long and I'm finally doing it. It's 2020 and I was like, you know what, it's time to actually get this going. My name is Lorenzo. This is my Mark II Golf GTI behind us. It's a very simple car. It started out as an 8 valve. It's now got a 16 valve in it. I've got some cams in it, some head work and bottom end work, but the engine is not quite where it should be. It's losing compression, it's got the wrong piston rings in it, so there's a lot of blow by and there's a lot of issues. Currently it's making 126 kilowatts, but that could be less. So around 120-ish. With the blow by issues, it makes about 250 Newton meters of torque. So it's okay, it's not fast, but it does make a good noise, which I love. The goal with this channel is to sort of document the progress, to sort of show what needs to be done, all the issues, and hopefully I can get it fixed. Yeah, I'm gonna get friends involved. I'm gonna be racing the car at Killarney, our local raceway. It's sort of like the best motorsport that is affordable. It happens once a week on a Wednesday evening, so that's sort of the plan with the car. To get it racing, to get it on just road runs. There was the run I did this morning with some Volkswagen guys. It was just nice just to get out and just drive the car. That's really what I want to do. That's the goal, is just to enjoy it. We're currently at UCT. We're going to drive out to Simonstown, just taking the views, just enjoy the cars, seeing the cars out. We don't get to do this often, so I'm really going to enjoy this experience. So simple and clean. This is Lisa's Mark I GTI, 4-door. In SA we only got the 4-door versions. And this is quite a nice example. Hi guys, so we just arrived in Simonstown. Such a nice run, the weather's perfect, no traffic on the road, so we just got to cruise through and chill. We're just gonna grab some coffee and I think then we're gonna head back.
6.5 hours later.
So I'm going to drop the car off at my parents'. I don't have the space for it at the moment. My apartment only has bays for my car and my wife's car, the dailies. So this stays at my parents' place. So I'm just gonna go drop it off and then fetch my daily. And I think that's it for this vlog. Very hot in this car, so I hope the wind noise isn't too much.
A few moments later.
And that's it guys, I'm back in the daily. Just quick rundown on what it is. It's a Mark IV 1.9 TDI wagon. It's so light on fuel. It really is one of the most perfect cars. It's so cheap, it's affordable to run. I've had some issues with it, but I'm just glad that it's back up and running. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Mark II 16 valve content.